makes sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak.
Right. Welcome to Lucky Man TV, guys. I'm here at the Mexican restaurant.
Right.
Yeah. Shout out to Mike. Oh, that's
man, look at that. That's what
yeah.
Got the onion.
Take that.
Them onions would be good too.
Oh my God, yeah. Whoever ordered that, you did good.
I can't forget the peppers. Y'all know I gotta have the cilantro. You see that? The cilantro. They know me about that cilantro, Mike.
I told him for cilantro, man, he's petty.
You don't even eat peppers. You just be
Who don't
right
eat
my style,
peppers? Man, you know you need to stop.
Enjoy. That's what it's all about. It's the BS stuff.
I like talking shit sometimes.
You want some money? Oh, you got some.
You want a pepper? You want us to save you one? That onion good grill.
They do them little whole onions.
Oh. Yeah, that too. I'm finna fuck this up, y'all. I ain't really gonna do too much talking. Well, I am.
You want this one?
Yeah, that's gonna be a hit. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, put shrimp in her too.
They better.
What was this? The burrito supreme. It's good, guys. Why y'all get quiet?
I feel like I need. Oh, this one got chili habanero in it, and both of them got chili habanero. I'm gonna try both.
I love pone.
Sir, 3 for burrito, sir.
Oh, that should look good,
Can I
Mike.
have bring me a side of cilantro, please?
Cilantro?
Yeah,
Sí.
cilantro.
Cilantro, good.
And one
And
more
sour
Coke,
cream.
is that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
And cilantro, gotta have the cilantro.
Oh, this all came out real disrespectful.
Wow.
That might be hot.
Who these peppers? Hot, Mike. You want one? You sure you don't want one?
Enjoy. No, you
They hot.
Nope, you
I'll
can have
take it.
one.
It's hot, Mike. It's real spicy.
Love it.
Them spicy ones be the best ones.
Yeah, them hot for sure.
They only came out all that.
What's this white sauce?
That's the cheese.
Probably the queso, babe.
Oh, okay. They hook it up.
Oh, gracias.
Oh man, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Let me hit that.
Everything good, señora?
Oh,
Gotta have the cilantro.
Yes.
Y'all like how I did that, didn't you? Money. These grilled tomatoes good.
I ain't ready.
Yeah. I done ate them all.
Yeah.
Minimize that. Gotta have the cilantro.
Oh, thank you.
Is that? Yeah, thank you.
Everything okay?
Yep. Good. Delicioso.
Thank you.
This is.
He ain't even come up.
You know another language?
I used to be fluent in Spanish, but you know what they say, when you lose, you don't use it, you lose it, and I lost that.
What happened?
I can't speak Spanish no more. I can only like speak the basics. sauce was hot.
He didn't understand what I said. I'm on the Italian side and steak in this bitch.
You asked me about 4 times by mine.
Ooh, that's good.
Ooh, that's hot. That's good. This
That
one's
pepper
really
hot?
good. Oh my god.
Told you.
Sets you on fire.
When your birthday again, Mike?
July 12th.
A day after my brother's. My brother's birthday, the 11th. What you doing, man?
Oh my god.
What you gonna be doing, man?
Oh, you talking to me or not?
Yeah, you?
Oh. I don't know. I lead a boring life, man. That's just boring.
You gotta be calm.
I'm going to Alaska in 2 weeks.
Oh, Lord.
What's
I
in
never
Alaska?
been. I don't know. We'll find out. Hopefully it's not too cold.
Now
You going by yourself?
But
You going to a little old lady, your woman?
yep. Oh, don't mind me. I'm on fire right now. This shit like this is like
These fucking sauces hot as shit.
you like habanero? You know what this is? This is like
No.
heroin, dude. It's crazy. It's not beautiful. It's nuts. What's he saying, man? He's getting crazy now. Now I'm getting hot sauce is going in my head.
Girl, my love, you know it be real when the bottom right here be burning.
You got who? The who?
The beans and rice.
Yeah, that cheese. Yeah, I don't know what they saying, Mike.
Okay, it sound like all you hear is They had the music so loud right here when I started speaking. I'm like, y'all turn it down just a little bit.
Yeah, awesome.
Okay, look, there's people right here. Oh, please cut this down. Excuse me. Oh, shoot, that ain't my way.
That is funny.
That's my house.
Let's stop by how it's here.
Oh, my mama. Don't help with the sauces right here. And I done really poured a lot on here, not trying to.
Yeah, mouth on fire.
Girl.
That's all you gotta do is pull up on me.
On me, baby, because this
Gotta have the cilantro. Y'all wanna bite? Look at that. Gotta have the cilantro. Put them beans on that.
Oh my god. How's your food? Do you like the food?
Yeah.
Is it working out?
Yes, it is. This pepper hot as hell. You getting full, Mike?
I'm on fire.
Everything has been sour cream, sour cream, please.
You guys ever go to the park? Over by that place to just walk around?
But since the endo been open, we've been in there.
Yeah, you good guy. Gracias, man. You guys, you play ball?
Yeah, I go to the indoor
You
gym.
two play? Are you good?
Now,
No, I'm like, doing good, but like,
play around.
You go in the game room? You play some pool?
we ain't been in there. We said we was gonna go in there. But we definitely use the gym. People use the treadmill, wipe up, you know.
You using the treadmill?
I was. I'm gonna start back. But that's because I've been moving around. Thanks to you, I've been moving around more, so I ain't mad at it. I ain't got therapy no more for now, so. What you done did to your finger, Mike? Oh, that's the
Oh
hustle.
yeah, I'm a slap. Sorry. Alright.
You getting full?
No.
Too bad you can't have a drink with us.
It's alright. I'm there in spirit. I'm crazy.
Oh, Mike, we don't want to hear it. We don't want to hear it, Mike.
That's why he's making me have 2 or 3.
Well, that's why, yeah, you guys gotta have 2 weeks, man. Have fun. This is your night. This is my way of saying thank you, Lucky. And you've been really good to me. So
Yeah,
I want you to
have
know
to.
I care about you. And thank you for everything you do. You're a hardworking person.
You think I am now?
Hey, I sent that money to pay for it.
It's so hot. Good.
Everything
I
okay?
ain't even touched the goddamn pepper no more because it's still biting my mouth.
It's pepper hot.
Everything's good.
I ain't put
Gotta
What
have the
happened?
cilantro.
Okay, sure.
I just had an onion with there,
I know you be pretty busy every day, huh?
Oh, 14, 15 hours a day is stupid. It's crazy. It's just nuts.
What made
It
you?
never ends, man.
What made you want to do like real estate?
Because every job I get fired. So,
You want to work for yourself.
Yeah,
That's how I feel.
see, I fire myself a lot now, so I don't mind that. But I usually get rehired in a couple of days.
Ooh, that's good.
Are you ready for number 2?
Yeah. They could have made it a little stronger. Yours is stronger than mine.
You need more? You need an extra tequila in there or something?
Yeah.
I'll hook you up, man. I'll talk to him now. I'll tell him, hey, listen, just put half a bottle.
Ooh, I'm getting full.
Let's get real.
I'm getting full, y'all.
All right, so we going out clubbing tonight? You getting crazy? Where we go?
Clubbing on the
Are we gonna go?
Thursday night? On the Thursday
Or
night, you don't
are
have.
we going back to play some basketball?
What club at?
We play horse. You know how to play horse?
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
All right. We play some horse after this.
Girl, I'm putting this back.
Too hot?
I ain't fucking with this no more. And then I was frisky and put both of them on there. And then there was a pump.
Shit got real. You thought
Got
it was
real. It was that last fight that really hit.
Shit got real on you.
Ah.
Let's fuck up. Let's fuck up.
Oh, Lord.
Man, you do not. I thought you would have ate that cherry up, man. You don't like fruit? You don't like
Yeah, I'm gonna eat that though.
that-
I'm gonna get
that's a
down.
special thing. Everyone I know.
I don't like
love
the cherry.
You don't like cherry?
I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah.
She hate Mike.
It's okay. Everyone got what's your favorite thing?
I like oranges,
Peaches.
We get you extra ones.
strawberry.
I love strawberry.
Watermelon is one of my favorites.
I have watermelon like every other day. I love watermelon.
I eat grapes.
Grapes are good. What kind of grapes?
I eat the red or the green.
You like the seeds in them or no seeds?
I don't care. You can have. I prefer the ones with the seeds, but
Me too. They're better for you.
those are the real ones.
You want my man? Baby,
Gas
crack the
man.
window. Crack the motherfucker. I'm telling you, after this, a good ass blunt. I'm telling you. I'm finna sleep like a baby tonight.
Man, I can't remember when you two moved in. Was it during winter? When did you move in?
End of December, like December 28th.
Oh, okay. So you got hit with some snowstorms, right? It gets crazy out there, don't it? It's like worse than Chicago. I mean, it's
Yeah.
Man.
like I bet that there was times you couldn't even get out on the road. It was closed down, right?
Oh, man.
Be out there driving for 4 hours, just taking an hour trip.
I mean,
Youngsters that do that, man.
What you talking about?
This might be good for real. Y'all could have put you on. We don't even know.
We didn't eat all day for this. We had our mouth sets on this.
Well, I hope it was a treat.
Yeah.
So,
That's
did
how
your
you
mom
win
go,
me
did
over.
your mom
Good
go with
food.
her friends or something to Jamaica?
She went with her husband. Yep, she went with. You know, I'm gonna show you my mom when I get off this live. I'm gonna make it short real quick.
Yeah?
Yep.
Are you close with your mom?
To an extent.
She drive you a little crazy? My mom
Yeah,
drives
she a
me
Gemini.
crazy. What's that mean?
They got two sides. June 10th.
I forget. You probably told me. I got short-term memory about you. Got brothers and sisters?
Mm-hmm.
Are you close? Ooh.
Maybe younger, more younger. Like my early 20s, mid 20s.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'm getting too personal. So you two met at work, kinda, right?
No, she
She
worked
was
there.
working.
I was shopping.
Like,
You were
comment,
shopping,
subscribe,
and then your
hit
daughter
that bell,
kinda
and pull up
made the
on
connection.
me.
Pretty much, I kind of
So
had